When it comes to towing a travel trailer, bigger doesn't always mean better, especially if you're using an electric vehicle or a smaller car. The challenge is finding something compact and lightweight without giving up the comfort you'd expect on a proper getaway. That's exactly where the Knaus Yaseo lineup steps in. First introduced in 2023 as a forward-thinking option for modern travelers, the Yaseo series focuses on making caravanning more compatible with electric mobility. Built by Knaus Tabbert, this trailer is all about blending efficiency with comfort, and it does that in a pretty clever way, by making almost every space transform, depending on what you need at the moment. Let's talk about the Yaseo 500DK, which is the larger of the two available layouts. Even though it's considered compact, it still manages to pack in a surprising amount. It measures just over 7 meters in total length and sits on a single axle, making it easy to tow. Despite its modest size, it can comfortably sleep up to 5 people and includes a kitchen, bathroom, and plenty of storage. The real magic here is in how everything transforms. Instead of having fixed furniture taking up space all the time, features appear only when you need them. It does mean you'll be folding, sliding, and adjusting things throughout the day, but in return, you get a much more open and flexible living area. Inside, the layout is split between 2 lounge areas, one at the front and one at the back, with the kitchen in the middle and the bathroom tucked into a rear corner. Both lounges convert into beds, but not in the usual way you might expect. The rear lounge is especially versatile. The seating can extend outward to create different configurations, whether you want a simple seating area, an L-shaped sofa, or a full double bed. Above it, what looks like regular storage cabinets actually hides a fold-down bunk bed. When needed, it drops into place, complete with safety netting. The bathroom is another clever use of space. At first glance, it seems almost too small to be practical, but that's because most of its features are hidden. The sink slides out over the toilet when needed, and the shower area expands outward, but only if the adjacent seating area is folded away. It's a tight setup, but it works, and the mirrored cabinets help make the space feel a bit more open. Up front, you've got the main lounge, which doubles as a dining area during the day and a bedroom at night. It starts as a classic dinette setup, but when it's time to sleep, the table folds away and a full double bed drops down from the wall. It's a smooth transformation, and once the bed is in place, you still have access to storage, lighting, and even space to keep bedding tucked away during the day. Large windows and a skylight bring in plenty of natural light, which really helps the space feel bigger. The kitchen sits right in the middle and offers everything you'd expect in a European caravan. There's a 2-burner cooktop combined with a sink, a tall fridge across from it, and lots of storage. There's even a wardrobe nearby for clothes and other essentials. One interesting detail is that the Yaseo 500DK is designed to work without gas, making it a great match for electric towing setups using vehicle-to-load power. That said, you can still opt for a gas system if you prefer, including a traditional cooktop and space for gas tanks. Heating and water systems are neatly integrated as well, keeping everything efficient and compact. Like many European trailers, it doesn't come standard with things like air conditioning, a TV, or even a wastewater tank. But those can all be added depending on your needs. It's also relatively lightweight, starting just under 1,200 kilograms, which helps keep it accessible for a wider range of vehicles. As for pricing, it starts at around 36,000 euros, though that can vary depending on where you are and what options you choose. Overall, the Yaseo 500DK is a great example of how smart design can make a small space feel surprisingly livable. It's not about having more room, it's about using the space you have in a much smarter way.